Some workflows should never run fully on autopilot. An expense claim needs a manager's approval before the money moves. An AI-drafted email needs a human eye before it's sent. Human intervention lets your workflow pause at these moments, wait for a human to approve or reject, and then continue automatically. Let's see it in action. We'll build a refund approval flow where a customer submits a request through a Google form. A manager approves it with one click, and the workflow handles everything after. Let's build this inside viaSocket. Every flow starts with a trigger. Select Google Forms. Choose New Form Responses are trigger. You can choose whatever you want. Connect your account if already not. Then pick your refund request form. Test it to get a sample response. Then save. And now the key step. Add a step and choose Human Intervention. Pick how you want to be notified. Email, Telegram, Slack, or WhatsApp. We'll use email. Set the recipient to the person's email and name who approves refunds. Write an email subject and the email content with all the details mapped from the Google form. Then add 2 buttons, Approve and Reject, and give them values that we will check in next step. Now test and check the inputs, then confirm test to get sample response. And save. And here's the best part. The flow simply holds until someone decides. Nothing times out. One last step, acting on the decision. Add multiple path step. Type the condition in plain English, the response is approved, and click Ask AI to build it. In the approved path, add a Slack message telling accounts to start the payout. Write something like, Refund approved, please initiate the payout, with the customer name and order details mapped in. And a Gmail confirming the approval to the customer. Map the Gmail address of the customer from the Google form. And in the message body, write something like, your refund request has been approved, and it will be processed and should reach your original payment method within 7 to 14 days. Now save it. In the else path, add one Gmail letting the customer know their refund wasn't approved. Write something like, unfortunately, after reviewing your request, we are unable to approve your refund at this time. Save, and click Go Live to make your workflow active. So here's what happens every time this runs. A refund request comes in, the approval email lands in your inbox. One click on Approve, and Slack notifies accounts team, and customer gets a confirmation email. Or a click on Reject, the customer gets a polite update. Either way, nothing moves until you've seen it. You can use this same pattern anywhere a human should have the final decision. For example, review employee reimbursement requests before processing them. A leave request comes in. The workflow holds until HR approves, then updates the calendar automatically. A social post is scheduled. The workflow pauses for marketing to approve before it goes live. And that's human intervention. One step that turns a fully automatic workflow into one that knows when to wait for you. Next time we'll look at delay feature, because sometimes the workflow shouldn't wait for a person. It just needs to pause for a set amount of time. Until then, keep building with viaSocket.